Hello all, welcome to Paritranaya IAS Academy. In this video, we shall discuss about the usage of the app, that is how to use the app. So once you download our application through the Play Store or through the link shared with you, and once you open the app, so this is the screen which we get. So here in this screen, you have to give your credentials, that is login credentials, and you will log in using your mobile number. And the same mobile number you will be using for the subsequent access of the course. So first I'll enter the number. So once I enter the number, after entering I have to say proceed securely. So after this you will receive an OTP and you have to enter the OTP. So after entering OTP, we'll say verify OTP. So once we say verify OTP, so this is the next screen that we will get. So here in this screen there are various things present. For example, here we have home button, we have batches, we have store, and here we have a chat, and here we have profile. So gradually we can learn all these various entities. Now for time being, we shall focus on store, an entity called a store. So once I click on the store, so here is a course which I have already joined. So if you scroll down, so here you will find the list of all the courses that we have launched. So now this is a course which I want to join. So in order to join this course, I will click on this. So once I click here, so this is the information that will be displayed. Details about the course, so all the information will be displayed. And if we want to see the content, then we can click on the content. But this content is presently locked because I have not yet purchased the course, so that's why it is locked. We cannot watch this video. So now in order to watch this video, in order to access this course, first I have to buy the course. So for that, what I will do, I'll just go back. So here we have a buy now option. So here I'll click on buy now. Once I click on buy now option, so next payment page will appear. So there are different ways of making the payments. So I will select show QR code. So based upon this, I will scan the QR code and I will make the payment, or you can use the other payment methods also which have been mentioned here. So once the payment is done, so it will take some time, so we have to have that patience while the payment process is going on. So payment is successful. So once the payment is successful, you will get a subsequent message, congratulations, you have successfully purchased the foundation course. So once you get this message, it means you have got access to the course. So now let us see how to explore the contents of the course. So okay, now in order to avoid confusion, let us begin from the start. So I'll just go back. So this is a course which I have purchased, IAS Foundation course at just ₹1. So previously I had not purchased, but now I have purchased this course. So now we'll start accessing this course. So once I get into the course, so here we have various entities: overview, content, live classes, notice board. So in the subsequent classes, when we will be engaging live classes, you can join our live classes by clicking on live classes. So presently, as there are no live classes, so I'll come to the content. So in this content, you will find all our videos and notes. So recorded videos as well as notes. So there are multiple subjects. So what I have done, in order to access the things easily, I have created multiple folders. So here we have polity related folder, geography related folder, economics related folder, environment related folder, art and culture related folder, and so on. For each and every subject, I have created a separate folder. Now let us assume I want to access the videos related to polity and also notes related to polity. I'll click on polity. So once I click on polity, here one folder is videos, another folder is for notes. So I'll click on videos. So subsequently, I'll be adding the videos here itself and also notes also here itself. So you'll be able to access our videos. So here you'll get videos, so you can watch videos. Next. Similarly, you can access our notes. So here are our notes. So what we have seen that we can join live classes. So we can go through all our you can go through our videos as well as notes, and also you can attempt our mock tests. So at the end, I have created a folder for mock tests. So I'll click on the mock test. So here you'll be able to attempt the mock test in an exam oriented manner. Okay, whatever way you appear for the examination, in the same fashion the time will be running and you'll be able to attempt the test. So one sample test I have created here. Similarly, every week there will be a test. So those tests you can attempt through the folder which I have dedicatedly created, that is mock test folder. So these are the various features of our application. So we have seen how to join live classes, we have seen how to access our videos, how to access our notes, and also how to attempt our tests. And apart from this, if you are facing any kind of error, then you can contact us, and if you face any kind of problems, the same problem will be rectified on priority basis. So thank you for watching this video. For all our subsequent updates, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon. Thank you.